Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be checking a free AI image generator that also has a paid version. So today we're going to check baselabs.ai. It will be on the first link down below in the description if you are interested in checking it out. And the great thing about this product is that it has so many offers. Today I'm going to care only about one offer, which is generating images with AI. So let's get started. Here you can select the model that you want to use, and they have two premium models that you can use only by having a premium billing subscription. But they also got quite a lot of other models that you can use. So before we get started, let's see a little bit the billing, and then we will have to do a very specific tasks. So these are the credits, how many images approximately you can generate with stable diffusion Excel. So that's the pricing, not bad, not amazing. Let's see how the application does. So we will have a very specific goal today, and through this goal, we will be able to, check out the library. So our goal will be to generate one of these thumbnails that Kylus creates. Why? Why we will go with this way? Because I really want to make a Roblox video for my YouTube channel tomorrow, and I have to generate a Roblox thumbnail. So what is the first thing in order to replicate an image using AI? And again, everything that we will show today is pretty much the same way that you go about to generate new images. So it's super important to watch this video and understand the process. So for this video, I think I want to generate this thumbnail over here. It seems nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get its link. And I will go a little bit fast. Because you don't care about the thumbnail part, you only care about the generation. So I'm getting the thumbnail image, I'm doing Control-C, Control-V, and then I'm going into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free for everyone. And in your case, you want to ask ChatGPT to generate a highly detailed prompt for image generation, and then you tell it your topic. In my case, I want a highly detailed image generation prompt and describes the attached image. All right, so that's what I want. I want actually ChatGPT to generate a prompt to replicate this image. All right, so that's the thing that I'm trying to do, the thing I'm trying to make. Now, the most important thing to understand is that I don't care about the part of the Kylus face. So what I care about is this part of the page. So I'm taking a screenshot and I'm putting another image in here. So let's do this for this image over here, so it's more focused. Right now we get a highly detailed prompt. So we take this, and we go over to Baselabs. Now, you won't have access to Flux Pro 1.1, which is an amazing model, but you will probably have access to Flux Scannel. So I'm going to show you the differences between the free version and the paid version. So I want a landscape image. I'm not going to be messing around with these advanced settings. I don't care. Let's generate two images with this prompt over here that is very specific. Click the generate image button. Let's check out what the result would be. So this is the first image. This is a second image. So it's not even close really. I have not read the prompt, but this is the image that the free version generates. And there are a lot of problems with the prompt that I attached. I did not clear the text. I did not specify the text exactly how I want it. I did not add any context. And this is a very important lesson for all of you guys. You cannot expect these AI models to get exactly what you want. The problem with this prompt is that there is no context really in order for it to understand exactly what I want to generate. And I will show you exactly how you can generate this in a more simpler and better way. But let's see what the professional model, which is the paid version, would generate for us. So let's go and generate a new bunch of images using Flux Pro 1.1, which is considered arguably one of the best models out there. Let's check out the result. So I've put in all of the details that I want, and I have clicked generate a new bunch. Error creating images. There's some kind of error for some reason. We cannot generate images. Let's click the refresh button. This seems interesting. Maybe I don't have access to the paid version. So click landscape, generate images, and let's see if it works this time. So, okay, the result is you can definitely see that it is a lot more realistic. But again, it's not what we asked the model to generate. So let's go over and let's do the correct process. So how can we make this thumbnail? So I want to get this image and I want a highly detailed prompt that explains this image. All right. I want to generate this image. So this is a highly detailed image generation prompt based on your upload design. So an unsettling work phase Grok. This seems a lot better. This seems a lot better as a prompt, in all honesty. Let's see if the result will be better. And I'm going to click portrait in this case. And let's click generate new bunch. Again, we use Flux Pro 1.1, and this is absolutely scary as fuck. This is absolutely scary as fuck, and also very, very high quality. Oh my God. So I'm going to save the image. Okay, so we generated the first part of the image. Now the next thing that we want to generate is this image, this bathroom image. Again, you may not want to generate this image. Maybe you want to generate like this thing, the text. Okay, so let's see if Grok is a little bit better at the generation. I'm going to use the free model again. Let's see what the result will be. This is quite a freaky image. It's scaring me, sincerely, all right. This is the image of the free model. Maybe landscape is a little bit better for this generation. Not bad at all, but let's check out the Flux Pro 1.1. All right, let's put the prompt over here, click the generate button. Let's see what the result would be. So, okay, this is a very good button, at least a lot better than the previous one. So text, bold, yeah. Maybe we don't need that much more information. So I would put this description over here. So let's simplify the description without reading anything, guys. If I read the prompt, I could make it a lot simpler, a lot more better. And already you can see that this is coming quite a lot closer to this one. You can see here that it's pretty close, guys. It's pretty close. And this is pretty acceptable. I accept this as an answer. So let's move on into another part. So let's say that we want to generate this smile 666 sent you an image. All right, so let's check this out. Let's see if we get a very good result. So again, I'm in Windows Paint. Not very professional of me, but you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. You gotta get the result. So we want this kind of thing. All right, let's do that. All right, save. Great. And this is Smile 666. Again, in all honesty, you would not like to generate this kind of thing using AI. There is absolutely no need to do so. So again, we're on Grok. Let's add this image, but it's always super interesting seeing how these models have been able to improve their image generation, especially considering text. In the past, they had such a big problem with text. All right, create a detailed image generation prompt for the image at hand. So let's see what the result would be. All right, so you can see here that Grok actually puts in a lot of effort to explain everything. And this is a quite new feature of Grok, and Grok 3 is coming soon. So I'm super excited to see what better image generations we can do with those kind of better, better, how to call it, better prompt generators in all reality. So let's save this and generate new image. Let's see what the result will be. Again, I'm using the paid version, and this is the Smile 666 sent you an image. Let's try Recraft. Let's try Recraft, which is another free model. Generate batch. Let's see how this goes. Send you an image. Let's check the result. It takes a little bit of time, which is interesting. Let's see. What is this? No. This is a wrong prompt. Wrong prompt, guys. Generation failed due to NSFW content policies. Please try a different model. Okay, stylus banner. Let's go with this. Let's go with a little bit of a more specific. And this generation failed as well. So this model is kind of limited. All right, so let's try the Flux Scannel. So you see me avoiding the stable diffusion models, and the reason is beautiful. This is exactly what we wanted. This is exactly what we wanted to generate, and absolutely by having a simple prompt, the model was able to generate exactly what we wanted it to generate. This is incredible, guys. This is incredible. I've got nothing to say. So let's create a prompt, a bathroom image, a bathroom tab with a shower as well at the same. So this is the most idiotic prompt I could really think of. Let's generate this image. We literally say it to generate a bathtub. But again, the result is not good enough. So what we want is to come over here, see the image. Bro, really, we are able to quite literally generate the same exact thumbnail with minimum work, but with even more high quality. This is incredible. Save options. We're going to save this as a copy and generate this image. Bathroom. All right, this is awesome. I'm super happy. I'm going to have a great thumbnail for the video. So let's attach this. A highly detailed prompt, and let's see what the Base Labs will give us as a result. Let's check it out. So we get this prompt from Grok. Again, I'm going to stop at this point because the additional details really are not needed by the model. They're not needed by the model in order to do a high quality generation. So I'm going to go for the square. I don't want it to be landscape. Okay, this is quite accurate, but I think that Flux Dev and Flux Pro 1.1 are going to do an incredibly better job. Again, wrong prompt. You've got to understand that your prompt will be replaced, so you always need to have it in Control-C, Control-V. All right, so, okay, whatever. So that's the image of the bathroom, not bad. And let's see what the paid version is going to do. So let's generate new bunch. I will try also Recraft. Maybe one of these models has like some better work. Nothing insane here. Stable diffusion large. Let's check this out. We're literally generating way too many images in today's video, but we're testing this out, and this is interesting in my opinion. So let's check out the result of Stable Diffusion XL. Oh, Stable Diffusion XL, absolutely. It did a very good job. Like, this is a good image. What other? I have heard very good words about Juggernaut XL. So let's check Juggernaut. Let's generate an image with it. Hopefully it won't disappoint us. But again, you can find Base Labs down below in the description, and you can, of course, use it. So this is the image of the bathroom. And this is, I think, one of the closest ones. It's not amazing. There are some hallucinations, if you can see here, but it's not bad in any case. So before we finish, let's see what other things you can do over here. So you've got Add AI plugins to this website with ease. Pick an AI plugin, copy the snippet and plug in your favorite. Okay, so we have face swap that you can use. Oh, this is nice. This is nice.